In this video, I will show you how I clean and maintain my wheels. First things first, safety. We will put on some rubber gloves. It's really important when you use chemicals, iron chemicals, any type of chemicals, to take care of your skin. So put them on and be safe. And let's start it. So it's really important that you don't spray any type of chemicals on a hot surface. We have here cold wheels, so we are not going to pre-rinse because we want to let the chemical work at its maximum performance. So I will spray in with the iron wheel cleaner the full wheel dry without even using water in the first place. So open the sprayer. On multi-spoke wheels, it's really important not to spray only the face of the wheel, but also take care on the spokes on the bottom side to have the product doing its job. Okay? While the product is working, we're going to leave it for 2 minutes. I'm going to take GYEON tire cleaner and going to spray in my tires to clean them as well. It doesn't matter if the product would land on the wheel. For good agitation, we have our dedicated tire brush. I'll spray 2 spritzes into the brush and agitate my rubber. You don't need to clean your tires every wash, but I suggest to do it once every 3 washes to have a great adherence of your tire dressing. When you are scrubbing your tire, you get a lot of dirt in your brush as well, so don't forget to rinse your brush before you start even a second application of tire cleaner. Okay? So we are 2 minutes away. We're gonna rinse the tire, we're gonna rinse the wheel, and I'm not gonna touch the first time with a mitt or even a brush. You can see this is my wash after 3rd week, I think. I used wet coat to have it maintained. It cleans faster, it cleans better. And now I'm going to use a 2nd round of iron wheel cleaner because I don't want to touch these glossy black rims with any type of brush to prevent scratching. It's also a great indication when you do your 2nd round to see if all contaminants or all iron particles have been removed, especially when you are planning to, for example, to do a coating on the wheels afterwards. Okay, so this is really a deep cleaning. And now we're gonna rinse the wheel a 2nd time, and then I'm gonna use the shampoo and a light touch on the wheel for that final cleaning power. So now 95% of all the dirt has been removed without touching my wheels. In my bucket I put some shampoo, you can choose bath or essence, and we have now a dedicated wheel mitt. So this wheel mitt is super soft, will not scratch your paintwork, will not scratch your wheels. We soak it in our bucket and we give a very light touch to every spoke. So as you can see, we are pretty clean with the iron wheel cleaner. When you have really dirty wheels and you have used the wheel mitt, don't rinse it in your bucket, rinse it outside of your bucket, just to bring back the dirt on your wheel and scratch your wheels. For the inside cleaning of our wheels, we have our wheel brushes, so you can soak them in shampoo, go in between the spokes, agitate lightly, and then rinse outside of the bucket. Now I have cleaned the inside and the outside of my wheel. I'm gonna go for a final rinse. Now we are finished with cleaning the wheel and we are ready for protection. So rinsing and then protecting. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I've used wet coat like 1 month ago. It's a great time now to top it up and to get in the insides of the wheel for that final rinse and blow dry. So here we go. Wet coat is not only a great protection and also a hydrophobicity booster and gloss booster, don't forget it. It also makes your life easier in drying your wheels. So, inside and outside is pretty dry now. We have some moisture left on the tire, but for that we have Tire Express. Tire Express is a great dressing that can be used wet or dry. So in this case, we still have some water left on the rubber. Doesn't matter. We grab the tire applicator. We grab Tire Express. Now the tire is wet, it doesn't matter. It's Tire Express. It needs to be done quick. This one will get you into the crevices. You can leave it to dry while you do the second wheel, the third and the fourth. When you're finished, you will be left with a very nice finish that will give you some great durability for your next wash. Now we are ready for the final touch. I'm going to use GYEON Cure for that extra gloss and maximum durability. A couple of spritzes, less is more. That's all for me. This is how I clean and maintain my coated wheels. Let me know in the comments below how you clean and maintain your wheels. I'm out. See you soon. Ciao.